was my big mistake. From the minute I brought that kid into my house, I knew he was capable of something like this. I knew it, but I wouldn't see it. I wouldn't let myself see it. I loved that kid.
Well, Mr. Blackwell paid a little visit to me today. He was very displeased to learn that he no longer had power over your affairs.
Good.
But Janine, if we're gonna prove that your adopted son framed you for murder, Corboy is gonna need more to go on, not just motive, but evidence.
You ever wonder what it would have been like if we'd been born into a different family?
You mean what it would have been like if we were born as crabs or some shit?
No more mind games, no more backstabbing. How would that have felt? Yo, we should go to Fiji. Till this blows over?
Fiji?
Yeah, I've been reading all about it. Surf, live off the land.
Oh, like eating nuts and berries and shit?
No, more like drunken tourists coming out of samba bars, asshole.
But they don't have samba in Fiji.
Who gives a shit? Let's just go anyway.
No.
Until it's safe.
No, I can't, man. You know I can't. Besides, we need our cut once Baz starts selling everything.
That Smurf gets out. Why? You ever known Smurf not to be working an angle?
Shit. We gotta go see her. Today.
Hey, are you okay?
Did you get what I asked for? Remember, you're being recorded.
No. He deleted all the files.
Go to Wilson right away and get the power of attorney. She's also going to give you an envelope. She's going to tell you where to drop it, so I stay safe in here.
What's gonna happen when Baz finds out I have power of attorney?
He already knows. He went to see Wilson this morning.
He wants to sell everything.
Don't let him. As long as you don't sign anything, you'll be fine.
That you need kept from us? We didn't want to believe it.
Oh, you better believe it, baby. I kept that for all of us. That is our rainy day money.
Yeah, but you lied.
I've done a lot worse things to protect you two.
Like 1.4 million things?
Is that what Baz said was in there? Oh, trust me, baby, there's a lot more. Looks like Brother Baz might be holding out on you.
She's saying that Baz is holding out on us. Baz said you did other things. Things that are way worse than that.
From the man who framed his innocent mother for a murder. That kid's had his eye on our money from the minute we took him in off the street. We gave him everything, and look at what he gave us, especially you two.
Yeah, well, he said he wanted to sell the properties in the house.
He can't. I made it so he can't. Jay has my power of attorney now.
You gave your power of attorney to Jay. Jay? Are you kidding me?
I would have much preferred it had been one of you, but you've hardly been civil to me lately.